Welcome to Unit 2, Communication. Today, we are starting with Lesson 1, which is all about vocabulary. We'll focus on how we communicate today. Are you ready to learn some new words? Alright, class, let's look at some new words related to communication. We will go through each one together, I'll explain the meaning, and then we'll practice pronouncing them. 1. Face-to-face conversation, N. A face-to-face conversation is when you talk to someone directly, in person. For example, when you talk to your friend at school or when you speak with your parents at home. That's a face-to-face conversation. Let's say it together. Face-to-face conversation. 2. Text message, N. A text message is a written message that you send from your phone. For example, when you send a quick note to your friend using your mobile phone, you're sending a text message. Let's practice. Text message. Have students repeat after you. 3. Email, N. Email is a way to send messages using the internet. It's like sending a letter, but electronically. We use email to communicate with teachers, friends, or even for work. Everyone together. Email. 4. Letter, N. A letter is a written message that you send by mail. It's an older way of communication, but some people still write letters to each other. Let's say it. Letter. 5. Card, N. A card is usually sent on special occasions, like birthdays or holidays. It's a small, often decorative piece of paper with a message inside. Together. Card. 6. Mobile phone, N. A mobile phone is a device that you use to make calls, send text messages, and use the internet. It's something we all carry with us almost all the time. Let's say it together. Mobile phone. 7. Landline, N. A landline is a telephone that is connected by wires, usually in your house or office. It's different from a mobile phone because it stays in one place. Everyone together. Landline. Now that we've gone through these new words, let's practice using them in sentences. Who can tell me which one you would use to send a quick message to a friend? Now, let's look at some more new words related to communication. These are terms you might use when talking about modern ways of staying in touch with people. Let's go through each one together, learn what they mean, and practice pronouncing them. 8. Instant messaging, N. Instant messaging is a way to send messages quickly using the internet. It's similar to texting but often done through apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or WeChat. You type your message, and the other person sees it right away. Let's say it together. Instant messaging. 9. Video chat, N. Video chat is when you talk to someone using both video and audio through your computer or phone. Apps like Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime are popular for video chats. You can see and hear the person you're talking to. Let's practice. Video chat. 10. Emoticon, N. An emoticon is a series of keyboard symbols used to represent a facial expression or emotion. For example, smiley face is a smiling face, and sad face is a sad face. They are used in text messages or emails to show how you're feeling. Everyone together. Emoticon. 11. Emoji, N. An emoji is a small digital image or icon used to express an idea, emotion, or feeling. Unlike emoticons, which are made with keyboard characters, emojis are actual images like grin for happy, crying for sad, and red heart for love. They are commonly used in instant messaging and social media. Let's say it. Emoji. 12. Social media, N. Social media refers to websites and apps where people create, share, and communicate with others. Examples include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Social media is used to keep in touch with friends, share photos, and find information. Together. Social media. Great job! Now that we know these words, let's try to use them in sentences. Can anyone tell me which one you would use if you wanted to talk to a friend using both voice and video? And that brings us to the end of our lesson today. Thank you all for participating and doing such a great job with the new vocabulary. Remember to practice these words at home and try to use them in your conversations this week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me now or after class. Thank you, and see you next time.